Good morning. Hello everyone. Hope all of you will be good here. So we are going to start our class, and today's class is about English literature, and this is for class 7 week 2, and the week dates are 6th July till 10th of July. So are you ready? Here we go. So I'm starting now. Today's topic is Bed in Summer, and this poem is written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay, students, so I am letting you again. The poem name is Bed in Summer, and this poem is written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay, move forward. So, okay, hope so you are ready for this lesson. So this one is assignment number 2, and in this session I will let you know about the question answers of this poem. So the objectives for this lesson is that by the end of this lesson you will be able to understand the answer of the given questions. Okay, students, if you do have any question answers about regarding this topic, you may ask me later. So the very first question is, when does the poet have to get up in winter? The answer is, he has to get up early in the winter. The next question is, why does the poet not like going to bed in summer? The poet is not like going to bed in summer because he wants to enjoy playing and seeing things around. Okay, move on. The third question is, what is the theme of the poem? So answer is, the theme of the poem is that the seasons affect children's life. Okay, so move further. The next question is, who composed the poem Bed in Summer? I have answered this question in the very beginning slide. Do you remember? Yep. The poem Bed in Summer was composed by Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay. So the next question is, write the central idea of the poem Bed in Summer. So do you know about the central idea? The main or the central idea of the poem is that seasons affects children's life. The poet wants to tell us that he can't enjoy the beauty of nature because the sun rises late in winter and sets early. On the other hand, the sun rises early in summer and sets late. आपको मालूम है ना, गर्मियों में सूरज जो है और सर्दियों में जो सूरज है उसके निकलने की और उसके गुरूब होने की टाइमिंग्स जो हैं वो चेंज होती हैं. एंड दिस इज़ डिस्क्राइब इन दिस पोएम. एंड बीइंग अ चाइल्ड ही हैज़ टू फॉलो सर्टेन रूल्स, और हमें उसी के मुताबिक सारे रूल्स क्या करने पड़ते हैं, फॉलो करने पड़ते हैं. ही एक्सप्रेसेस हिज फीलिंग ऑफ सॉरो बिकॉज ही फाइंड्स इट्स अनफेयर टू गेट अप एंड स्लीप टू अर्ली इन समर. कि सूरज क्योंकि गर्मियों में जल्दी निकल आता है, तो कहने मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता कि मैं गर्मियों में जल्दी उठूँ और जल्दी सोऊं. Okay, now the time is for your homework. So you have to write down the question answers in your copy from slide number 5 to 10. Okay, so you will write down all these 5 question answers in your copy. And here is a reminder, copies will be submitted for checking on Friday 10th of July 2020 this week, and the checked copies will be returned on Monday 13th July 2020. But do remember, the office timings 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay, students, so thank you for watching this video, and kindly like, share the video, and also subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming learning videos. So okay, students, take care. Allah Hafiz. Stay safe. Stay home.